this is what we're working with today. So I already pre-taken it out of the box. So with this particular mount, let's say you want to take your phone and you got your scope out and you want to, like, you know, catch some photos. So you clamp this guy on the eyepiece, with your phone running up, and tighten it down and, you know, zoom in and start, you know, taking the photos that you want to take. So I think this is pretty cool right here. You know, it's got its own like height adjuster. It's pretty slick. Feels well made. Even has like a little memory deal there. That's pretty slick. I guess this is shifted from side. Oh, okay. Yeah, it is. Is it more adjustments? Up, down. I knew one had to be from side to side. So that's pretty awesome. NexYZ is what it's called. It also have these little ringy deals to come with it. Little ringy deals. Alright, so we'll play around with that a little bit. Next time the old moon comes out, ooh, now we got this thing here. The Starsense AutoAlign. I've been waiting on this guy here. So it's to cut down your alignment time. Pop it up. So we're working with it here. All right. So the usual manual. Most stuff I'm not concerned with. Let's get to the goods. So you come with a fresh new controller. Replace your other controller and install this one. Feels pretty good. Yeah. All right. Next, we have a phone cable type deal. I'm sure it's for communication purposes. It runs from the scope to the camera you're going to install. All right. Mounting bracket. Bolts and an Allen wrench. And the actual camera unit itself. Now it'll come attached to the bracket. This piece will go on your telescope. Pop out the screws, pop this piece on, and then this piece, it pops on. It'll stick out there like that. Pop off your cap. I'm gonna leave the cap on for now, but pop the cap off and start your process. But I'll show you how to do that on my video to come with me installing this on my scope. Feels pretty durable. And like I say, it does have a ring where you can, you know, but I'm gonna go with the heavy duty one myself. So, and if you did want to change it, I think you just like take this part off and it'll slide off, or it should just slide off. I see a little bolt where you can loosen it, it'll slide. Yeah, it'll shift forward. Okay, so stay tuned for more on the next video.